So our main task today is we're going to look at some pages as an example, but I'm going to send you the PDF of the whole text, and basically what I want you to do is that I want you to look through or choose some of the pages, and I want you to find the facts and write some facts out for me. Um, so, for example, I have pages 6 and 7 here, and if we read through them again, I would be looking to see what facts there are. Um, so I've circled 3 here. So I've got Florence Nightingale was born 200 years ago in 1820. Another fact could be that she was a nurse who was famous when she was alive. Um, Fact is, you could talk about how a nurse cares for people when they are sick. Um, and another one could be that nurses today do many of the same jobs that Florence Nightingale did then. So for some of you, you could do this. You could look at some of the pages if you've printed them off, and you could circle the facts. Read through it and circle the facts. Or choose 1 or 2 pages from the book. Can you write down the facts from the page um, around the pictures? Okay, so look at the facts. Can you circle them and can you write some of them down for me? Okay, because this is helping you to read through a piece of text and think, right, what facts are there? What can I pick out and then learn?